Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I have a little unboxing for you guys, and I received these today and I wanted to share what I got with you. So if you guys want to see what I got, just keep watching. We're gonna open the box together. So exciting. Ooh. This is how it looks like. And we're gonna take this first package right here. Okay, so the first thing that we got is this amazing Bumblebee Jasper freeform. This one is so cool. And this is how it looks like in the back. Wait, there we go. Yay, that's so cool and beautiful. Okay, let's get to the other one. Here is another one. I think Ooh, yay! Okay, I got this malachite slab, and it's so freaking beautiful. I love the like orbs on that side. Wow, so beautiful. I'll put it right here. Then let's see this one. Ooh, wow, this is actually really well wrapped. Let's see. Okay. Oh, okay. So I also got this really interesting specimen. So this is actually a raw piece of fuchsite, and it has some garnet in here. And this is such a cool piece. I don't know why, but it kind of reminds me of like a space, like a space something. Like, I don't know. Like an alien thing. So cool. All right, that's the third piece, and we have one more. This one, it's a big one. So let's open these together. Oh my god, this one is so beautiful. Okay, so the last piece that I got, oh no, some little pieces came off. That's so sad, but it's okay. So it's going to be this beautiful celestite cluster. Oh my god, this one is so beautiful and so gemmy. I am so excited for this one. Okay guys, and that was everything that I got this time. So I only got the celestite cluster that is so beautiful, malachite slab, the bumblebee jasper, these pieces that fell off these celestite sadly, and this super cool fuchsite and garnet piece. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this haul and actually this crystal unboxing and I will see you guys on a next video. Bye!